Throughout history, countless magnificent structures have graced our cities, each telling a silent story of bygone eras. But time, with its relentless march, has not been kind to all of them. Can you guess why? As we marvel at these architectural wonders, it's crucial to consider the fragility of their existence. Join us today as we delve into the intriguing question: how do old buildings stay upright? And more importantly, how can we ensure they continue to do so for years to come? Why historic buildings matter. Before we dive into the crux of the matter, let's take a moment to appreciate why historic buildings are more than just aged structures. They are irreplaceable windows into the past, offering invaluable insights into our history and culture. These buildings are not merely made of bricks and mortar. They are woven into the fabric of our collective memory. Many historic buildings are architectural masterpieces, showcasing the ingenuity and craftsmanship of their time. They represent different eras, architectural styles, and cultural influences that have shaped our world. Moreover, these buildings contribute significantly to the character and identity of our communities. They are landmarks that define a city's skyline and attract tourists from around the globe. The economic benefits of preserving historic buildings are substantial. By investing in their upkeep, we create jobs in sectors such as restoration, tourism, and hospitality. When we protect these structures, we also safeguard the unique atmosphere and sense of place that makes each community distinctive. The perils of time, factors contributing to collapse. As we navigate the maze of an old building structure, it's vital to be aware of the factors that can contribute to its potential collapse. Firstly, age is an undeniable factor. Years of use, exposure to the elements, and gradual wear and tear can weaken the structural integrity of a building. Neglect or improper maintenance can exacerbate this issue, leading to a compromised structure over time. Unforeseen events, such as earthquakes, floods, or other natural disasters can inflict significant damage, pushing a historic building closer to the brink. Understanding these perils is the first step towards implementing effective prevention strategies. Understanding the signs, identifying potential collapse risks. Knowledge is your greatest ally when it comes to preventing a historic building's collapse. Here are some signs to watch out for. Cracks and fissures. Keep an eye out for visible cracks in walls, ceilings, or foundations, as they could suggest underlying structural instability. Sagging or uneven floors. A noticeable dip or unevenness in the floor could indicate weakened support beams or a shifting foundation. Unusual sounds or vibrations, creaking, groaning, or vibrations within the building, especially after earthquakes, may signify structural distress. Prevention is key. Techniques to mitigate collapse risks. Now that you're aware of the potential risks, let's explore ways to mitigate them. Regular inspections. Just as a doctor diagnoses potential health issues through regular checkups, a structural engineer can assess a historic building's stability through periodic inspections. This proactive approach allows for early identification and prioritization of repairs, preventing minor issues from escalating into major concerns. Structural reinforcement. By using modern techniques and materials, engineers can reinforce weak points in a historic building structure. Techniques like installing steel beams, adding bracing, or using specialized fasteners can significantly enhance stability without compromising the building's historical character. Moisture control. Moisture is a silent enemy of historic buildings. Water damage weakens structures, encourages the growth of harmful organisms, and accelerates deterioration. Implementing effective waterproofing measures, ensuring proper ventilation, and addressing issues like leaky roofs can go a long way in preserving a building's structural integrity. Investing in the future. The importance of preservation. Preserving historic buildings is not just about preventing collapse, it's about safeguarding our heritage for future generations. It's about ensuring that the stories embedded in these structures continue to be told. When we invest in preservation, we create a legacy that connects the past, present, and future. Moreover, historic buildings often hold immense cultural and historical significance. They are tangible reminders of our heritage, reflecting the values, beliefs, and lifestyles of the times in which they were built. Many of these buildings are not just structures, but repositories of stories, memories, and experiences that have shaped our communities and our world. In conclusion, old buildings, particularly historic ones, face a constant battle against the relentless march of time. While their age and historical significance make them vulnerable to various perils, Understanding the factors that contribute to their potential collapse is the first step towards effective prevention. By being vigilant, investing in regular inspections, implementing appropriate reinforcement techniques, and controlling moisture, we can help ensure that these architectural gems continue to grace our landscapes for generations to come. The economic benefits, the cultural richness, and the sheer wonder these buildings offer make the investment in their preservation well worth the effort. So the next time you stand before an old building, take a moment to appreciate not just its historical value, but also the intricate balance of forces that keep it standing tall against the passage of time.